And now we can move on to designing the UI for the notes page. So let's right click the pages over here and let's just say add page, and we'll just create a blank page and name it notes page. So once again, we can just right click the add bar and delete it since we no longer need it, and we'll wrap the column with a container widget. And under the container properties width, you just press this infinity to take up the whole width of the screen. And we'll just remove the save area of the note page as well. Alright. So for this note page, we have this row over here, which consists of the notes back button as well as this edit button. We have this text over here, which is last modified and the date and time. Then we have the title of the note as well as the body text of the note. So it goes like this. There will be a row. The whole thing will be inside a column, and the column will consist of a row of these two elements, followed by a text of this, followed by the title, and followed by finally the body content of the note. So let's just create that in Flutter really quick. So inside this column, we'll just add a row, and within the row, we'll add an icon for the back button, a text for the notes, and a text for the edit. So first, we'll add an icon. Then we'll add a text, and then we'll add one more text. And for the padding, let's just add some. For the column, let's just add some padding first. We'll add a padding of 48 on top, and left and right padding of 24 each. Alright, cool. So for this icon, we want a back button. So select the icon, and under the icon properties icon, just click it, and we'll search for back. We just choose this. We can change the icon color to a nice blue. Cool. And now for the text, we want it to be notes. So just select the text, change the text property to notes. And we'll also change the text color to the blue as well. You can see it's saved here. And then just like how we wanted to push in the previous page, just like how we pushed the delete icon all the way to the right, we'll do the same for this text, or for this edit text as well. So we click on the notes text, and under expansion, we'll click on this expanded option, and you'll push it all the way to the right. Then for the text, all we have to do is just change it to edit for now, and we also change the color. Alright, so now we'll work on this last modified. So as you can see, this last modified consists of two main parts, which is the last modified text, which does not change, and then the next part is this date and time, which does change depending on when we edit our note. So when a text like this has two components, we can use the rich text widget, which will be very helpful. So under the column, we add a rich text widget. Over here, you click on the rich text, and the first text span will be date modified. And the second text span will be, we'll just put a placeholder date for now. add a space here to make it nicer. And for this text style, let's change it to label medium. And remember to change the other one as well. So the same thing, label medium. Alright, so now we have that done. Now all that we're left with is the title text as well as this body text. So same thing, under the column just add 2 more text. One for the title and one for the body. And just rename it so that we are able to keep track of our widgets. First one is title text, and the next one we just name it body text. Okay, so let's just change the title text. Click on the title text, change it to notes for now, and we'll change the text style to title large, and the body text we'll just leave it as that. Now we want to add some spacing between these elements as well, so we'll just add some padding to the title text as well as the body text. So let's say a top padding of 32, and for the body text we have a padding of 16. And you want to align it to the left, so just click on the title text, and under alignment you just click the left one, and for the body text, under alignment do the same thing. And we'll just change the text from now to body text, and this to title. Alright, so that's basically it. That's the basic UI of our app done. We have the home page over here, which has the title, my notes, and this list tile of the note and other future notes which we will have here as well. So, and then when you click on this, it will bring us to the note page, which will have the back button, the edit note, as well as the title and the body text and the date modified. Oh, and one thing I forgot in the home page was this floating action button to add more notes to our app. So we just go to the home page and click on the home page itself. Click on this add a child to this widget and just search for floating action button. You can just search for floating and just click on this. Yep, and now we have added a floating action button, and that is the UI of our page done. Alright, so thanks for watching, hope you enjoyed it and hope you learned something new. Stick around for the next video where we will add the functionality and actually make our app work. Alright, see you guys, thank you and goodbye.